I'm Jessie and this is my baby and we're going to try out the Doona for the first time.
First off, it was really easy to get baby into the car seat and the straps connected. It looked super comfy for baby as well. We live in a small apartment and it is nice to have a car seat and stroller in one to save on space. Super easy to go from car seat to stroller in a matter of seconds and get in and out of the house. Another thing I love is how easy it is to use and navigate the Doona, getting around corners, hallways, in and out of the elevator, even in and out of doors by myself without anyone helping. The sun canopy is really great. As you can see, it provided a lot of shade for my baby as we went outside. And I love how the handlebar adjusts for any height. Going from stroller to car seat is really easy. I love that the handlebar acts as an anti-rebound bar as well. And I love the European belt path, makes it easy for me to take the Doona in any car, or if someone's babysitting my baby, they can take the car seat as well, which I love. Overall, the Doona car seat and stroller makes for a really great travel system, and I would recommend this stroller to parents looking for a compact solution.